This is it, brethren. We're going to the biking shop, you know. 23 kilometers. Woo! Here we comes. So muna siya, no? Tama. Muna kong honey. Taking the challenge. How about you? Ha? So challenge ni guys, ha? Uy, ayos na. Danggitan. Uy, wala. Tagasugbuanhan. Tagasugpil. Naman akong phone. Okay na. Napil na to. Guys, 23 kilometers ni. Napami sa 500 meters. How ba ni ay? Wow, nasa guys. No. So, relax guys, relax. I'll update you next time, ha? Okay. Good job. Oh, no guys, no. Si Phil guys. Magpay? Magpay? Hi. Say hi. Anak ang kilometer. 5 na guys, you know? 5 guys, 5. Nasa guys, ang lagi, ano? It's a beautiful structure. Dala sila din, hanin. Paduli ito ko na yun. Ay, hanin ba ko na? Kanang insin sayam. Ito siyang airport guys. Namin diri sa resting down. Bukwa, restong ni, kaday, kap. Okay. Guys, good. Tagan niya yung pillar of cloud. Yung gabi kay pillar of fire. So guys, no? Bye guys. So guys, 10 kilometers. How is 10 kilometers, honey? Labarn daw guys. So kaya oh. So kaya ninyo guys. Cok, sana all. 8 kilometers more. See? Laban kaya kung asawa na ako. Oh? Kayahan nino?
Manananggal na.
Manananggal daw na siya. So muna siya guys, no? Nami sa pang-upat na nga stasyon. Pang-tulo. Upat na no? Katulo? Katulo guys. So good luck. 8 kilometers more. Kaya sisiyaw, no?
Tara na, honey. Let's go na.
Okay, let's go. Guys, hapit na gyud guys. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Oh, is there? Oh, see, look. Where is that? Did you see that, guys? Tohan lapit. Kanang blue guys, kanang blue oh. Muna siya. So kayahan ni no?
Kaya.
See?
Na lang.
Muna siya. That's my wife.
Ew.
I'm so proud of my wife, you know guys. She's so endurance and sa tong katong team nilang okay? Kanang resilience ba? Dili. Resilience lagi no? My wife is so resilient, you know. So good luck guys.
After 3 hours.
Yeah.
Ang
Okay.
23 kilometros. Tulo ka oras.
Magtimbang may karon guys, dapat nabawasan og 5 kilo, no? Okay. Guys, hapit ang gyud guys. Tanawa guys, oh. Look. Oh. Kana kita mo nang nay pulang colored, blue di ay o green. Pero blue ang atop. Hapit na guys. Si ma'am. Hi ma'am. Okay. Okay, hapit ang gyud, hapit. Nana guys. Nana Jud 23.25. So pwede kang musakahan kung gusto ka. Ha? Oh. Na guys. Ha. Woo. Woo! Congrats to my honey very much. That's my honey very much, you know. My honey, that is so very much. So congrats. Congrats. Di naman kinahanglan han. Di na kinahanglan. Di ra taw magi.
Kasi hindi na ako makuha ang kuan.
Di na lagi dali. Tara.
Ha?
Di na kinahanglan. Woo! Let's go, honey. Ah, si honey. Ah. Mapadulong pa sila. Kita ko muna. Okay. Wow. Woo!
On writing some face.
Yeah. Woo! Congrats. After 3 hours, guys, nahuman ra jud. Ano to sila? Oh guys, oh, mingaw pa na kanina. Pero karon kay daghan na kay tao. Okay, very good.